Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have brought a new chapter of class 10th, third language Hindi from Karnataka board. It is from Purak Vachan. Name of the chapter is Satya Ki Mahima, which means glory of truth. So, in this chapter, we will see what is truth and why one need to speak truth and how the great peoples they have achieved success by walking on the path of truth. So, all this in detail we will study in this chapter. So, watch the video till end so that you do not miss any important points. So, let us start. सत्य बहुत भोला भाला, बहुत ही सीधा साधा, जो कुछ भी अपनी आंखों से देखा बिना नमक मिर्च लगाए बोल दिया, यही तो सत्य है। कितना सरल। सत्य दृष्टि का प्रतिबिंब है, ज्ञान की प्रतिलिपि है, आत्मा की वाणी है। So what is truth? Truth is very simple. Whatever we see with our eyes and we speak as it is without adding anything extra in it, that is truth. Yes or no? Here it is saying सत्य दृष्टि का प्रतिबिंब है, ज्ञान की प्रतिलिपि है, आत्मा की वाणी है. It means truth is a reflection of vision. Knowledge is a copy and it is also the voice of soul. See the meaning, so beautiful meaning it is, how beautiful it is described. Now the next paragraph, सत्यवादिता के लिए साफ सुथरा मन चाहिए, एक झूठ साबित करने के लिए हजारों झूठ बोलने पड़ते हैं और कहीं पोल खुली तो मुंह काला करना पड़ता है, अपमानित होना पड़ता है। किसी को परेशान करने या दुखी करने के उद्देश्य से सत्य बोलना नहीं चाहिए। काने को काना कहकर पुकारना या लंगड़े को उस जैसी नकल कर दिखाना सच बोलना नहीं होता। यह तो सिर्फ छेड़ना हुआ। इस बात को शास्त्र में यूं समझाया गया है, सत्यम ब्रूयात प्रियम ब्रूयात न ब्रूयात सत्यम प्रियम, अर्थात सच बोलो जो दूसरों को प्रिय लगे, अप्रिय सत्य मत बोलो। Now here satyavadita means what? It means truthfulness. So a clean mind is needed for truthfulness. See, if you want to hide one lie, you have to say 1,000 lies. And if it is caught, then you have to darken your face. It means you have to be humiliated. You have to be insulted in front of others. Yes or no? So, uh, saying lie is not a good thing. We should never say lie. It always shows you the wrong direction. It always brings you down. So we should not speak lie. We should always speak truth. Yes, and when you speak the truth with the intention of troubling or hurting anyone, for example, you call a blind person as blind or you imitate a handicapped person, so this type of behavior is not good. It doesn't mean that you are speaking the truth. Instead, what you are doing, you are hurting the feeling of that person, because you know that the person is blind, he is handicapped. So you don't have to go and point out that this is your weakness, you are blind, you are deaf, you are copying that person. So that type of behavior is not at all good. That doesn't mean that you're speaking the truth. So this type of behavior one should not have. Okay, and this is also explained in the scriptures. And what it is saying, satya bruyat priyam bruyat na bruyat satyam priyam. And what does this sentence means? It is written in Sanskrit. What does this mean? It means that सच बोलो जो दूसरों को प्रिय लगे, अप्रिय सत्य मत बोलो. Always speak the truth that is dear to others. Do not speak unpleasant truths. Do not speak those truths which hurt anyone. Okay. देन संसार में जितने महान व्यक्ति हुए सबने सत्य का सहारा लिया है, सत्य का पालन किया है। राजा हरिश्चंद्र की सत्यनिष्ठा विश्व विख्यात है। उन्हें सत्य के मार्ग पर चलते अनेक कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ा। लेकिन उनकी कीर्ति आज भी सूरज की रोशनी से कम प्रकाशमान नहीं है। राजा दशरथ ने सत्य वचन निभाने के लिए अपने प्राण त्याग दिए। महात्मा गांधी ने सत्य की शक्ति से ही विदेशी शासन को झकझोर दिया। यस और नो? Now here what it is saying that संसार में जितने महान व्यक्ति है, all the great people in the world, they have taken the help of truth, no doubt. They have followed the path of truth, and we have examples also. Here, King Harishchandra. King Harishchandra's truthfulness is world famous, Vishwa Vikhyat, world famous. He had to face many difficulties walking on the path of truth, but today his name shines because of his good works. And we also have King Dasharath, who gave up his life to keep the truth. And also we have our great freedom fighter, Mahatma Gandhi, who changed the foreign rule with the power of truth. So see the power of truth. Yes. So we should always speak the truth and we should always walk on the path of truthfulness. The next para, उनका कथन है, सत्य एक विशाल वृक्ष है, उसका जितना आदर किया जाता है उतने ही फल उसमें लगते हैं, उनका अंत नहीं होता। सत्य बोलने की आदत बचपन से ही डालनी चाहिए। कभी कभी झूठ बोल देने से कुछ क्षणिक लाभ अवश्य होता है, पर उससे अधिक हानि ही होती है। क्षणिक लाभ विकास के मार्ग के लिए बाधा बन जाता है, व्यक्तित्व कुंठित होता है। Now here Mahatma Gandhi, he says that truth is a huge tree, Vishal Vrish, huge tree. The more it is respected, the more fruits it bears, and it does not have any end. So these are the words said by whom? By Mahatma Gandhi. He says that truth is a huge tree, and the more you respect it, the more fruits it bears, and it does not have any end. And the habit of speaking the truth should be inculcated from childhood. Yes, it has to be inculcated from childhood. Sometimes you may gain short-term happiness by telling a lie, but for a long term, it is harmful. It becomes a problem in the path of development. So we should not take the help of lie. Okay? Because if we speak lie, then you become habituated towards it. You always feel to say lie. You don't feel good to speak truth. You always lie, you always lie. Then your personality, it becomes very weak, it becomes upset, and it gets frustrated. व्यक्तित्व कुंठित हो जाता है. Then you become very weak and upset, and you get just frustration all the time. You get frustration. Yes. So we should not speak lie. झूठ बोलने वाले से लोगों का विश्वास उठ जाता है, उनकी उन्नति के द्वार बंद हो जाते हैं. And no one likes to trust a liar. Yes or no? No one likes to trust, and no one trusts that person, because once a liar is always a liar. Then even though you are saying the truth, then no one will believe in your words, because you have spoiled your image by telling lie again and again. So these are the harmful effects of a liar. You should not speak lie at any stage of your life. And all the doors of success are closed forever. Then what is the use of speaking lie? Yes. Then सत्य की महिमा अपार है, सत्य महान और परम शक्तिशाली है. संस्कृत की सूक्ति है, सत्यमेव जयते नान्त्रतम, अर्थात सत्य की ही विजय होती है, असत्य की नहीं. जॉन मैन्सफील्ड की धारणा है कि सत्य की नाव से ही हम भवसागर का संतरण कर सकते हैं. सत्य वह चिंगारी है जिससे असत्य पल भर में भस्म हो जाता है. अतः हमें हर स्थिति में सत्य बोलने और पालन करने का अभ्यास करना चाहिए. See, Bhavsagar means ocean, and Santaran means to spread or to transmit. Okay. Now here it is saying that Satya ki Mahima apar hai, means immense hai. The glory of truth is immense. It is great and it is supremely powerful. And there is also a saying in Sanskrit that Satya mev jayate nantratam. And what does it mean? It means that truth wins and not untruth. Means truth always wins and untruth fails. Then John Mansfield. This man, he believes that truth is something which can solve all your problems and tensions. You can come out of any problem by speaking truth. Yes, and truth is no doubt very powerful. It can beat a lie. So we must always try to speak truth in every situation, no matter what the condition of your life is. But we need to take the courage to speak the truth always, because the result is going to be good if you speak the truth. So this is a very small chapter in which you come to know about the truth, why we should speak truth, and what is the importance of speaking truth. And if you lie, then you spoil your image. Then nobody will believe in you. Then you can understand that truth is very powerful, and we always need to speak truth, no matter what the circumstance is. Okay, so it is a very short and beautiful story in which we come to know about the truthfulness and how the great people, they have achieved success by implementing the path of truth in their life. So we should also learn to apply in our day-to-day life. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter. If you like it, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.